The main issue people have when it comes to taking singing lessons is they feel absolutely petrified at the thought of sitting in a singing class and having to sing in a group environment in front of a teacher, and not knowing whether they're good enough. And this is what the Stage 1 vocal workshop is all about. The Stage 1 workshop is really to get you starting from absolute scratch. So, if you've never sung a single note, and if you can't hold a note in tune or whatever it is, then come along to the Stage 1 vocal workshop, because hopefully you'll find the whole experience, A, nowhere near as scary as you thought it was going to be, B, fun and friendly, and I think the friendly aspect is another one as well. We kind of pride ourselves on making sure that students are relaxed and having fun, as well as learning at the same time. So it really is all about building you up from that beginner's level.